Yeah. Oh yeah, in the bread.
No?
Yeah, it's like, I'm coming now. So, I don't understand. Open this. Okay. Here. I want you to see the difference also. The crunch. We started here. And then here, I said we can increase it. No? This is like 1 centimeter or half a centimeter. And if we take this
So
one,
this is the back, no?
yeah, that is the back. That is the back. No? So I want you to understand it's not like only like one. Okay, here I needed to increase it, but the line you said the line is too much. Yes, because this is our back, so I join it here. That is the back.
And then this one gonna what? To how much did we add?
Here, we raise it with 1. Where is this? Here.
Oh.
We raise it with 1, no? And then this side. Okay, this side is actually this part, no? And then here.
Okay.
It's this part. It's this part of the cross. No? And with the trouser,
And then this one we raise by.
we said 6. 6, no? You mustn't get confused. There will be the time that we're gonna raise this side. Then here it's gonna go lower. Yes. Yes. So now for this one is for tight. No? Because when we do the next trouser, we're gonna raise it here and lower it like this. No? For now, it's baby
Let's
steps
focus on this one.
on this one. Now I get this step. And I don't like people going in the street, you know. Honestly. Because maybe it's going to the boyfriend. No. I know. It disturbs me. And I don't want to. It's not nice to control someone who's beautiful, who's very charming. I know what Super must tell you. This girl nearly died, you know,
No?
with a drug overdose.
Sure.
That was